When preparing for the Aruba Certified Campus Access Professional Exam, it is crucial to have the right study materials. These materials not only provide the necessary knowledge but also help candidates familiarize themselves with the exam format and content. One of the best sources is valuable HPE7-A01 training materials of QuestionsTube. With 102 practice questions and answers, these materials are designed to closely mimic the real exam, enabling candidates to gain a comprehensive understanding of what to expect. Candidates for the ACP Campus Access Certification to validate the intermediate knowledge and implementation of wired and wireless networks, including routing, switching, RF applications, security, connectivity, and troubleshooting are required to pass the HPE7-A01 Aruba Certified Campus Access Professional Exam successfully. How to prepare for your HPE7-A01 exam well? We recommend using the valuable HPE7-A01 training materials of questions to ensure you success. The HPE7-A01 practice questions provided by QuestionsTube are specifically designed to closely resemble the format and content of the actual Aruba Certified Campus Access Professional Exam. This allows candidates to become familiar with the types of questions they may encounter and the overall structure of the exam. By practicing with these materials, candidates can gain a comprehensive understanding of the exam format, which is vital for achieving success. With the help of the HPE7-A01 training materials from QuestionsTube, candidates can significantly increase their chances of success and earn their Aruba Certified Campus Access Professional certification. It is highly recommended to read the HPE7-A01 exam demos to check the quality of the valuable HPE7-A01 training materials. 1. The customer needs a network hardware refresh to replace an aging Aruba 5406R core switch pair using spanning tree configuration with Aruba CX836032YC switches. What is the benefit of VSX clustering with the new solution? A. Stacked data plane. B. Faster MSTP converge processing. C. Dual Aruba AP LAN port connectivity for PoE redundancy. D. Dual control plane provides better resiliency. Answer. D. 2. What is enabled by LLDP MED? Select 2. A. Voice VLANs can be automatically configured for VoIP phones. BAPs can request power as needed from PoE-enabled switch ports. CISCSL client devices can request to have flow control enabled. DGVRPVLAN information can be used to dynamically add VLANs to a trunk. EISCSL client devices can set the required MTU setting for the port. Answer. A-B. 3. A company deployed dynamic segmentation with their CX switches and gateways after performing a security audit on their network. They discovered that the tunnels built between the CX switch and the Aruba gateway are not encrypted. The company is concerned that bad actors could try to insert spoofed messages on the gateway to disrupt communications or obtain information about the network. Which action must the administrator perform to address this situation? A. Enable Secure Mode Enhanced. B. Enable Enhanced Security. C. Enable Enhanced PAPI Security. D. Enable GRE Security. Answer. D. 4. What is true regarding 802.11k? A. It extends radio measurements to define mechanisms for wireless network management of stations. B. It reduces roaming delay by pre-authenticating clients with multiple target APs before a client roams to an AP. C. It provides mechanisms for APs and clients to dynamically measure the available radio resources. D. It considers several metrics before it determines if a client should be steered to the 5 GHz band, including client RSSI. Answer: AC. 5. What is an Aruba recommended best practice for hardening that only applies to Aruba CX6300 series switches with dedicated management ports? A. Implement a control plane ACL to limit access to approved IPs and/or subnets. B. Manually enable enhanced security mode from a console session. C. Disable all management services on the default VRF. D. Create a dedicated management VRF, and assign the management port to it. Answer: D. 6. A customer is using stacked Aruba CX6200 and CX6300 switches for access and a VSX pair of Aruba CX8325 as a collapsed core 802.1x is implemented for authentication. Due to the lack of cabling, some unmanaged switches are still in use. Sometimes devices behind these switches cause network outages. The switch should send a warning to the help desk when the problem occurs. You have been asked to implement an effective solution to the problem. What is the solution for this? A. Configure spanning tree on the Aruba CX8325 switches. Set the trap option. B. Configure loop protection on all edge ports of the Aruba CX6200 and CX6300 switches. No trap option is needed. C. Configure loop protection on all edge ports of the Aruba CX6200 and CX6300 switches. Set up the trap option. Deconfigure spanning tree on the Aruba CX6200 and CX6300 switches. No trap option is needed. Answer: C. 7. Which feature supported by SNMPv3 provides an advantage over SNMPv2C? A. Transport mapping. B. Community strings. C. Get bulk. D. Encryption. Answer: D. 8. What is an OSPF transit network? A. A network that uses tunnels to connect two areas. B. A special network that connects two different areas. C. A network on which a router discovers at least one neighbor. D. A network that connects to a different routing protocol. Answer: C. 9. Which Aruba AP mode is sending captured RF data to Aruba Central for waterfall plot? A. Hybrid mode. B. Air monitor. C. Spectrum monitor. D. Dual mode. Answer: C. 10. You need to create a keep-alive network between two Aruba CX8325 switches for VSX configuration. How should you establish the keep-alive connection? ASVI. VLAN trunk allowed all on ISL in default VRF. B. Routed port in custom VRF. C. Loopback 0 and OSPF area 0 in default VRF. DSVI. VLAN trunk allowed all on ISL in custom VRF. Answer: B.